This is the #1 question I get. How do you even film these car mukbangs videos? You're about to see it for the first time, and it's 63 pounds. Just my phone, you've already got one. Filming light, 8 quid. Hold the phone in place. 2 pounds. This is what's holding the whole rig up, 20 quid. Doing the most work, grips the windscreen, 28 quid. And this is what the food sits on, 5 quid. That's the whole secret, 63 pounds, how it all goes together. Every link to buy it, it's on my YouTube right now.